I'm a speech-language pathologist, mainly with birth to 5, but I also work on some communication devices as well. My brothers are twins and they were born premature and had some complications. So my one brother has a cognitive disability, and so I grew up going to all of his therapy appointments and thought that was really cool, and then participated in Special Olympics with him. So from there, I grew into this profession. My role as a speech-language pathologist is I help kids with any sort of communication needs they want to help them to communicate, whether it's through sign language, alternative tech, or verbal speech, helping them get their wants and needs met and communicate. My typical day is, since I'm birth to 5, I go out and work with a lot of families in their home, as well as daycares and different places, community settings. So I usually go in, work with a family, give them resources, give them models on how to work with their kids on increasing their communication. And that's kind of most of my day, giving kids their voices and seeing the progress that they make so quickly on communicating and being able to speak their own wants and needs and what they need. Setting a kid up for a communication device, they don't have a lot of verbal speech, or they have very minimal speech. So when you give them the device, they can really unlock their voices and they can be heard that way, because some kids need the visuals to help them communicate those needs out. So just seeing somebody express themselves for the first time and their excitement when they do it, it's really rewarding. There's so many different aspects, whether it's communication, that they want to focus on speech therapy, or physical therapy and gross motor, or just helping any kid in any way develop and learn new skills and to help them progress through life. I love working in the UP because of all the snow and all the season.